Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Hey guys, so I'm going to use the last bit of natural lighting for the day to do a quick unboxing with you guys. I did some retail therapy on Takealot and Superblist, in the spirit of supporting like Black Friday or November retail. I really went out, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing to share with you guys some of the things that I got. Well, all the things that I got. So this is from, I got this on Superblist. I got this fruit bowl. It's a little bit small, I must say. It's smaller than expected, but I would actually buy another one like this and have two. Oh my goodness, these boxes are a lot. There's another box. This is a basket that has been in my cart for quite some time. Oh my goodness, it looks even nicer. I love this basket. I love it. I love this basket. Also got, this is also my favorite. Oh, looks even nicer. Oh my goodness, I love it when I buy something online and it looks nicer. I got this chopping board. Oh my goodness, I love it. It looks so nice, you guys. It's got this marble detail and this wooden side to it. It looks so nice. I got a UPS. I got a UPS actually because I thought we need some Wi-Fi during load shedding. It can be long, so I got this and I hope it works very, very well. And then in here I got some knives. I've been in need of knives for so long, and I got these 2, 4, 6. This is what I got. And I got some utensils. This thing has been empty for quite some time, so I finally got utensils, and it's 12 pieces. Oh my goodness, I'm making a mess. Last but not least, I got myself a this was my reason on Takealot. I don't know why it took so long to buy a pressure cook, but I finally got to it and I am so excited. It looks so gorgeous. This is my pressure cooker. Oh my goodness, it's actually big. It is so big. I cannot wait to use this already. I am so excited for this. Actually, it's a 6-liter one. Oh my goodness, it is so big. I really, really love it. I love it. It's so big. I can't wait to use this. So yeah, that is my unboxing and what I have bought on Takealot. My lighting is so bad. It is so bad. I hope this video makes it up actually, because
last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me.
We've arrived in Tembisa.
Baby, I think you should side with me.
What's wrong?
One time if you lie with me.
You are tired. Just the 10 minutes drive is making you tired.
Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid.
Hey guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. I'm going to the gym and I'm attending a class. It's 9 o'clock now. Actually, it's almost 10 past 9 and the class is at 9:15. So let's go.
Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling since we were.
Taste.
It's good. It's good.
Is it? Okay, thank you.
Maybe it's with peanut butter. Mama, maybe it's...
This is so good. I want to see which of the Christmas decor we can still reuse. This is from last year and I'm happy to still use the ones that we can still use. So I still like these. and some of them we were pulling them out, so they're not gonna hang. So let me quickly